Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am preparing 2 recipes and 2 minutes recipes without fire. Challenge accepted from Avani Kitchen and Avani Designs and Creations. Support us by like, share and subscribe. It is Brahmi leaves. I am preparing drink from this. It increases memory power and also it's have medicinal properties. It's good for health. I washed it properly. I'm using leaves as well as root. Required ingredients are finely chopped Brahmi leaves, small half cup of grated coconut or coconut pieces, 2 to 4 black pepper and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 cup of buttermilk. Salt and sugar we will add later. Let's start. Now we will grind coconut, pepper, cumin seeds and chopped Brahmi leaves. Add little water and grind it. Again add little water. Make fine paste. Now pour this paste to vessel. Add required amount of water. I am adding here 3 to 4 glasses of water. Sweet and salt as you require. I am adding half cup of jaggery and salt. Stir it properly. Now our healthy Brahmi leaves drink is ready to serve. Serve it with rice or sieve it and drink. Another 2 minutes recipe is without custard tasty fruit salad. Required ingredients are 1 cup of milk with cream, 5 to 6 teaspoon of honey, 1 cup of chopped banana, 1 cup of chopped mango and dry fruits, raisins, cashew, almonds, pinch of cardamom powder, half cup of brown sugar or jaggery. Let's start. I am adding chopped banana, chopped mango and all dry fruits. You can add dates also and more fruits like grapes, orange, guava, etc. Honey, cardamom powder and brown sugar. Finally, milk with cream. Mix well. Healthy fruit salad is ready to serve. Now I am passing this challenge to another YouTuber, Halli, kannadati. In that channel, you can watch about village lifestyle and village recipes. Thank you for watching.